check guys, wait, it's 3:29 and ang alis namin is 4. Papunta na mga tulab. So, yeah. Here's the fit. Yeah. So, yeah. So here we go.
Si Carlo iramay.
Wait lang, isa pa. Ano? What beat?
You don't know that.
I know. Kita pala to.
Ito pala yan.
Mount Ulap na to.
Mount Ulap na to. Hindi ko na kinakayaan. Mount Ulap. Guys, akala ko okay lang. Okay na, babe. Hindi ko na kaya, pero babe, ito. The view, 10-10. Oh my gosh. But my energy, I don't know, it's not giving. I need to get a beautiful angle. You can, bro. Super taas na guys. Super. Smoking free. Hashtag smoking free. Hi. Puta. Saan na nagtuhod ko? Guys, so mahangin. Guys! Sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. Wait lang, Shami. Gubok no eh. Gubok no ay. Nalipad ang cup ni Madam. Hangin. Nalipad yung cup ni Shami. Kaya, sumilip din sobrang lakas. Baka malipad din yung eyeglass ko. So I'm going to wear it na. Guys, we made it. We barely made it. And kapagod. Oh, because it's already the time ball. Oh, it's low but it's not low but it's, can you see this? It's 8:21. So sobrang lakas ng hangin para kami liliparin. Shami, give me some beat.
Andito kami ngayon sa Mount Ulap. Kumakain ng egg sandwich with Milo drink.
Pabas ko yun, tinatawag ko.
Nandito kami ngayon sa...
Ay, forgot. Hindi pala manisa. Grabe, gadis good job na mapatuloy balik. Amoy natural ihi. Natural ihi. Show me. Ano na ha? Hi! Hi, sir. Bye. Oh, I like this. We will climb this, Shami. Nakapak ako ng poop. Jason.
It's part of the nature.